We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Disclaimer, I am not a professional. Please watch these videos at your own risk. These videos for entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Visit family on Telegram. Families and friends will prosper. Now, let's pick up the business. Okay, guys, we are marking up BTC, CAD. Let's take a look at what's going on in the market. We are on the monthly time frame. First, we're going to identify as last active candle in the market. Doji sitting at a high of the area. So, price of this doji goes up. Let's target these lines to a T. So we're looking for price to break these bodies here. And you can clearly see price is breaking that body. So if price goes down, we're looking for price to come down to this low. And we also want to pay attention to see if price is going to break the previous body above price. To be here. And if market breaks that, it'll be clear, have to clear these wicks that we see at the highs. So we can tag that as well. Let's take a look at it. So that's about 2 levels to surpass from where's it at. And we're going to do a midpoint right in the middle. Change some of these colors so we can see what's going on. I'm going to change this to white. I'm going to change this to blue, green. Let's head down a time frame. So first off, let's read the market first before we head down a time frame. Price started at a low, so it did some type of either. I see a leg here, so think about it coming down from here. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. So we got that W first, second, third, fourth. That's that W. Market came back to retest, and then market pushed up once, came back down. Market pushed up twice, came back down for a retest, pushed up to a high, wasn't able to break, came back down for a retest. So with price currently at, it came from a decline, incline W, but before the incline W, it came from a single top, maybe a double top, and the market pushed down one huge time, came back down to that midpoint of overall structure. Then we got an engulfing pattern that pushed that market up to that midpoint, came back to retest that midpoint, and it fully broke out. So let's read it again. First, second, third, fourth, retest 1, retest 2, retest 3. So that's already 3 pushes to the top. It can retest and push it one more time. If it doesn't break after this final push, the market coming back down maybe to a midpoint or all the way back down to a low, and then working its way back up. So let's work out a time frame to see what we see. Okay, so price actions at that high, we can clearly see that W at that low, or maybe a triple bottom, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, that's a W plus a retest. Market pushed up once, retest, market pushed up twice, retest, worked its way down for a decline. So basically it's an area, some type of consolidation, have a pattern formed in here. See if we can try to draw it out. So taking it from this end, we can see that first leg, market push up second, third, fourth. So you got a double top, and then the market leg did some type of retest to that midpoint after that double top, created enough momentum to push up. So let's, for right now, let's call it like a single bottom. Then the market pushed up. Let's see what happened at this high. So you got multiple touches at this high. Market pushed up once with this full body candle, came back for a second time for the wick, came back for a third time with another candle, came back with a fourth time, came back all the way up for that breakout for that fifth. So that's a few pushes to the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 5 pushes to the top in that area here. So that's exhaustion, which pushed that market back down to that midpoint that we currently see here. This is why it looks like that market is creating that momentum. Could be creating that momentum for that midpoint working its way up, or it can be respecting that overall 5 push to the top, which could be a look at that spike here, look at that spike here. So it's a double top in here, which pushed that market down to that midpoint. So we did get the break and retest of that higher high line that we see right here, which is my resistance red line above the price. We did get that retest, that break of that support, that SR line came back to retest. So we don't know if the market's going to sell down, break down further, or sell up. But right now, markets think about it being some type of consolidation. If we get this breakout to the upside, you know that market's going up after the retest. Get that breakout to the downside, you know that market's going down after the retest. If not, that market just consolidating here as long as it wants to finally break out, break. Headed down to the daily to see what we see. So we can clearly see that double top that we identified in an early time frame. So got the retest, market push down once, market push down twice, market push down 3 times. So I mean, it wasn't really no pushes. This is a huge consolidation. So we gotta wait for that market break. Got a huge bearish candle that engulfed the previous area. It looked like that market was a drop, but it didn't. Got another market came back for another retest. So it's a huge area of consolidation in this area here. So you got to be waiting for that breakout to this resistance or the breakout to the downside. So it actually market went right back in that range, which was in a consolidation. You can see that market's consolidated here, bouncing back and forth, broke out, didn't get a retest to drop down further. Just went back into that range. So just huge consolidation on the 4, extension on the 3 with a consolidation, extension on the 2, extension on the 1. Now it seems to have a pattern form. So we see that W, first, second, third, fourth, retest, market pushed up once, retest, market pushed up twice, retest, market pushed up 3 times, retest. That's already 3 pushes to the top. 3 trend pushes, but overall at the top here, 1, 2, 3, about let's say about 3 pushes in that area here. So that market could be coming back down to that midpoint as you clearly see. If you think about putting a midpoint here, again, that market is trying to create that momentum off that either double top or triple top. If you want to add this spike as a triple top, you want to leave this out. 1 spike up to the top, 2 spike ups, market drop down to that midpoint. So if it breaks, you know that market going down to the next level. If it breaks out, you know we're looking for that retest drop down to the next level. But right now, markets is still in that consolidation. No, still gotta let the market do what it do to see what's going on. You can see how market working its way down for that decline. Nothing's going on yet. Headed down to 30. Market just extended. 45, 30, 15 extensions. So market came back down for that retest on that support of that blue line I created from that lower time frame. And this market just still consolidating. So nothing's really going on. Still have to wait. Gotta get the market some more time to do what it do. But either market will either break out. If it breaks the red line, we know it's going to head up to the next level. If it breaks the blue line, that midpoint that we created on that lower time frame below the daily, you know that market coming back down to that overall midpoint. When if it breaks and retests that market's selling all the way back down. Hey guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. BTC, CAD.